Jamie! Come back here. I like how you're walking with your like pockets on the inside. Like you're like, I'm just trying out my new camera, dude. Come here. Come and see how good the video quality is, okay? Look. See?
Oh, that looks
Isn't that
good.
cool? Doesn't it look good?
Yeah.
Looks really nice. And then we have the power to zoom in. Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah.
And then we can. I was just taking pictures earlier of those trees and how like the wind feels so nice right now. I got to try to check this video out later. But yeah, it's really nice.
I like it.
See? You can like once your cars go by. On the other phone, that whenever you're taking a video, you can quickly take a snapshot picture and then save it while you're still taking the video. Look at that tree.
I knew that.
Really nice. Yard. Well, this is my sister's house, so I gotta get back to kind of.
Well, that doesn't look better than the Android.
This is a really good camera, dude.
I knew that.
Well, that's what you know.
I know 2 plus 2 is 4.
2 plus 2 is 5.
What do you mean?
It's the laws of physics.
Plus 3 is 5.
It is, and so is. Well, then it's actually 2 plus 3 is 6, too. You got it all wrong, buddy. Maddie.
Maddie!
Maddie. Alright, say bye to the camera. I'm gonna end it now. Say bye.
Bye!